friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The banana tree is one of those few species where each part of the tree is used in some way or another. Its leaves, which are used eating food, the fruit is used when it's raw and ripe, flower, and its stem. Banana stems are rich in fiber. It can be consumed cooked or raw. Today we are going to make a healthy weight loss salad using banana stem. Banana stem typically has two layers. A hard inner layer which is edible and a porous outer layer which has to be discarded. Perfect, we have peeled the inner edible layer. Now slice them into circles. While cutting, you'll get a lot of thread like fibers sticking out of your knife. Remove those fibers using your hand. Now chop them into small dice. Let's add the chopped banana stem into a bowl. Squeeze some lemon juice onto the banana stem to avoid oxidation. If you don't do this right away, your banana stem will turn black. You may also add the chopped banana stem in water and buttermilk mixture. If you soak them in water, buttermilk mixture, then squeeze out. Rinse and drain before making salad. Chop raw mango. Chop carrot. Chop cucumbers, chop cilantro, salt for taste. Grate a small piece of ginger. And mix well. All these vegetables we have added in this recipe are aids in weight loss. Do you know that the banana stem is used to treat kidney stones? Transfer to serving dish. Garnish with cilantro. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!